Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. This lesson is dedicated to grade 7 literature book, page 374. Okay, in this page, uh, or let me say in this lesson, we are going back to discuss the Nobel Speech by Al Gore. Uh, I will read the background for you just to have an idea about this text. The Nobel Speech Prize is a prestigious award granted to those who have done outstanding work to promote peace in the world. The Nobel Prize was established by Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist and engineer known for inventing dynamite. The 2007 Nobel Prize was awarded to Al Gore for his efforts to educate people about the threats posed by man made climate change and to urge people to act against the efforts of climate change. Alright, I will go directly to the first annotation. Okay, so I want you to highlight or to mark paragraph number 7 from the distinguished till seed many or may live. Seed may live. All right. So after marking these lines, the question says here, why might Gore have chosen these quotation or this quotation to show the two different features facing society? Okay, again, why might Gore have chosen this quotation to show the two different features facing society? So the answer could be that Gore might have chosen this one. He wanted to emphasize how serious this problem is. Okay, so he wanted to show us how critical the situation is. All right. Uh, if we move here to the next part of the annotation, okay. What effect does the inclusion of this quotation have on the readers? Okay, uh, it makes the reader think about the importance and urgency of the problem or of the issue. Let me say, Gore is telling us that it's a matter of life and death. All right, guys. Okay. I will move to the next part of annotation here. Actually, the next page. Yeah, here. Okay. Now, after marking these lines in paragraph 15, okay. So please, the whole paragraph is important. Paragraph 15, starting from in the last few months till Freud. Okay, the question says, what do you think Gore chooses to include these details, or why do you think Gore chooses to mention or to add these details? Sorry. So the answer could be like he is showing many areas around the world, okay, or he's telling us that many areas around the world are are now affected, okay, many parts on Earth, sorry again, are affected by this issue, okay. Uh, Conclusion of this part, okay, what effect does the inclusion of these locations have on Gore's argument? So, let me say here, he's showing that the effects of climate change are not limited to one region. Okay, they expand to all regions around the world. Okay, which makes his argument or his issue, let me say, of argument more powerful. All right, guys. Uh, I want to move directly to the next page, 376. Next page here. And I want you to highlight some phrases in this page. Let me start with paragraph 203. Okay. Scientists, just a minute. Okay, yeah. Scientists calculated. This is the first phrase. The next one is debris and smoke. The next phrase is nuclear winter. Then eloquent warnings. Okay, this part. And now move on to paragraph 24 and highlight this. Now science is warning, and the word here, danger. Then the last thing is permanent carbon summer. So let's add a question here. So after marking these details, okay, which demonstrate Gore's use of language and precise word choice. Okay, so I have a question here for you, which is, yeah, okay. Uh, Before that, I want you to consider how Gore is using this language, okay, to make the speech or his speech more powerful. All right. Uh, but anyways, I will add a comment here or annotation saying that Gore is comparing global warming to nuclear war, and at the same time he is using opposites such as winter, summer, to make his comparison more vivid or more vital, in other words. And words like danger and permanent increase the power of warning. Sorry. All right. One more point. Comparing global warming to nuclear war is something extremely powerful, because it implies that global warming would be as devastating as a nuclear weapon. Okay, so it is the same danger. All right. So making this comparison using these opposite words creates powerful images for the audience and gives the speech an almost poetic quality. Okay, so in this context, I guess Al Gore wanted to uh, have his own impact on the audience, okay, to show them that this issue is so critical. Okay, be careful, guys. I'm sorry again. Uh, uh, Word choice in a speech is critical, okay, to convey a message. All right, you can use the opposite ideas to create a contrasting effect in a literary unique called antithesis. Okay, so this is how word choice is impressive, okay, to affect the audience. That's enough for today. Thank you so much. We continue discussing other paragraphs next lesson, inshallah. See you then. Good luck.